Spotify tips and tricks that will change the way you listen. Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you some Spotify tips and tricks that will change the way you listen to music. First, open your Spotify app and go to any playlist. Look for the Enhance button near the top and click it. This will automatically add recommended songs that match your playlist. Next, play a song and look at the bottom right corner. Click the icon to see what songs are coming next. You can drag songs to change the order anytime. After that, go to the top right corner and click the settings icon. Scroll down and find private session. Turn it on if you want to listen without your activity being shown to others. Now stay in settings menu and look for crossfade. Turn it on and adjust the slider to create smooth transitions between songs. Then try using the search bar more effectively. You can type a mode or activity like workout or chill, and Spotify will suggest playlists that match. For example, you can turn on Enhance in your playlist to instantly discover new songs similar to your current music. Tip: explore Spotify features regularly because new tools are added that can improve your listening experience. So there you go guys. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.